Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the replace function. So the replace function in Excel just basically allows you to replace part of a string of text with a different string of text. So here we have Brandon's Excel tutorials. And let's just say we wanted to use the replace function to have it be Brandon's Excel tutorials by removing the ON. And due to this, we're going to replace the ON with just a blank. So due to this, you equals replace open parentheses. The first argument is old text, so the text that you want to change. Comma, start number. So start num is where you want to start the replacement. So, or the position in the text that you want to make the change. One thing to note is that it starts with 1, so the capital B right here is the first position. And then, so ON, the O is 6, so 1, 2, 6. It's 6 in the string. Comma, number of characters. So how many characters going right do you want to replace? I want to replace the O at the end, so we're just going to do 2. Sorry, 2. Then the new text. So what do we want to replace the text with? Well, we just want to put spaces here. And then close parentheses. What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the replace function in Excel. So the replace function just basically allows you to replace a part of a string of text with a different string of text. Such as say, for example, we wanted to change Brandon's Excel tutorials to Brand's Excel tutorials by removing the ON right there. To do this, we're going to do equals replace, open parentheses. So the first argument is old text. So that's the text that you want to make the changes to. It is located in cell C3. Comma start num. So start num is where do we want to start the change. One thing to note is that it is that the first letter in the text is the first position. So the capital B right here is 1, and then R is 2, A is 3, and so on and so forth. So the O is in 6 is in a 6 spot. So 6, comma number of characters. So how many characters going right or left do we want to make a change to? We want to do O in the end, so we want to just go 2 characters to the right. So just type in 2, and then the new text. So what do we want the old piece of text replaced with? So we want this to be replaced with just a blank. So we're going to put 2 apostrophes like that. So and then close parentheses. As you can see, it got changed from Brandon's Excel tutorials to Brandon's Excel tutorials. But you can put whatever you want to put into text, so you can just be like, ABC, for example, and it will replace those 2 pieces of text with just ABC. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.